Umaasa ang pamahalaan na tutugon ng Communist Party of the Philippines at New People's Army sa ipatutupad na ceasefire sa darating na Kapaskuhan. Paliwanag ni Presidential Spokesman Edwin Lasieda, ito upang mabigyang pagkakataon ang at kabilang panig na makapiling ang kanilang mga pamilya. Taon-taon idinedeklara ng pamahalaan ng ceasefire para bigyang daan ang nasabing selebrasyon. Samantala, hinihintay pa rin ng palasyo ang rekomendasyon ng Department of Defense kung kailan sisimulan ang tigil putukan.
Remember, this is a unilateral Christmas ceasefire. It does not stop us from taking defensive operations when something happens and we need to protect our own people. We certainly would hope that NPA, the CPP, MPA, NDF would reciprocate. But again, as far as this government is concerned, we have traditionally declared a unilateral Christmas ceasefire every year.